Welcome to City Grilling. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, it's going to be like a grouper Creole or Creole grouper, whatever you want to call it. You know, I'm getting kind of tired of the same kind of fish with garlic powder or salt and pepper and just a little bit of butter. So I'm going to change it, kick it up just a little bit different here. So here's what I have. I have some beautiful grouper here already from the shrimp guy down here in Columbia, South Carolina. It's delicious. I've already pulled the skin off of it, cleaned it up a little bit. One's pretty thick, the other one's a bit thinner, but that's fine. So what I have is like 2 tablespoons of butter and olive oil in this dish. And what I'm gonna do then is add just a little bit, Parmesan cheese in here, not very much, and about 2 cloves of minced garlic. So I have that already minced up here, fresh garlic. Wow, I can smell it, it smells delicious already. And then some Creole seasoning just to mix in with this. And you can buy different kinds at the store. I've made my own. You can go out to the internet and find plenty of recipes for make your own Creole seasoning. So I'm just going to do about a half a tablespoon and stick that in there, right? And go ahead and mix this up really good. And what the key here is to kind of marinate, not marinate, but brush on this mixture to the fish. So I'm gonna make sure this is warmed up, maybe just slightly in the microwave, just to, maybe not. Heck, I'll just use it like this. And here's what I'm gonna do. You could warm this up a little bit more if you need to help that cheese in there, but I'm gonna actually take it out on the grill and keep it out there with the fish and brush it on as that fish cooks. So I'm just gonna go in here, get it started a little bit on this plate right here with the fish. You could do this with any white fish. Again, this is grouper. You could do halibut. You could do flounder. Whatever kind of fish you want to choose. But I'd make sure it's a white fish, not a salmon. That's not going to taste quite the same. But just go ahead and brush it on just like that. All right. Then we'll go ahead and take it out to the grill. Okay, I'm out on the grill with my grouper with Creole seasoning on it already with some butter and olive oil. I'm at 400 degrees. It's a little bit hot right now, and I actually only have these 2 burners on. I've got a 5-burner grill here. I'm surprised it's that hot, so I'm going to turn it down just a little bit more. Now, this piece is the biggest piece, right? So I'm going to put it right here in the middle, flip it upside down like that, turn my light on here so I can see a little bit better. And I know this is a little bit thinner, so I'm going to bring it way over here. So I know the burner is here. It's going to cool down on this side, just because I know my grill pretty well. And then this other one, flip it like that. I'm going to flip that back over. And then what I'm going to do now is I brought my mixture over here with the garlic and butter, olive oil. I wanted to keep it warm, right? So I'm going to baste this fish just like so. A little flare up just from the olive oil and the butter. Actually, it's more the butter. And that's okay. If it gets too rough here, I'll move it around just a bit. And go ahead and put some on both sides here. Keep it from sticking on the grill grates. That'll be nice, just like so. And with this one, if it's going to flare up just a little bit because of that, that's okay. I'm just going to move it around. It'll be all right. What will happen when it really heats up like that? It could really smoke up the meat of the fish, and we don't want that to happen. So I'm going to keep it away from that just a little bit. It's also nice to have a little water spritz, so you can actually spritz in here with the water, and that'll take care of it as well. All right, I'll let this cook for at least 3 minutes, and I'm gonna baste this some more as we cook it. All right, so we'll see how it comes out. It's been 3 minutes on the grill. Let's check out this fish, this grouper. It's looking good. I can see it's starting to change color here just a little bit. You don't necessarily have to flip this over. But I'm going to do that anyways. It's not sticking so bad to the grill grates because of that butter. I'm just going to flip it like that. The smaller piece. Go ahead and flip it here. And then I'm going to take that mixture still once again and really coat it good on the top here. This one's looking really good. It's almost done. Once it's done, I'll take it off the grill and plate it up here, but let me go ahead and finish the rest here. What I like to do also is I get a spoon. I'll take out some of that extra garlic to put on top, especially this thick one. I can't wait to eat that. That one's mine. I love a good thick piece of fish. So I'll go ahead and put the rest on this small one. You know, this small one and this other one's going to get done before that larger one. So I'll move it off the side here on the grill to make sure it doesn't get overcooked. Go ahead and finish drizzling a little butter on that. Oh boy, that's going to be good. If there's a little bit left over, that's fine. I'll do it maybe one more time, but then I'm going to plate it up here, okay? Okay, I'm ready to bring the fish in. Yeah, I basted it a few times, moved it around a little bit. It's looking delicious. That garlic and a little bit of Parmesan cheese, the Creole seasoning. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get this guy off the grill here. Boy, that looks delicious. I gotta just try a little bit bite here, real quick before we go inside. I'm just gonna take a little bit off the edge here. That's gonna break off. That's fine. Oh, boy, that garlic, the Parmesan cheese in there, and just a little bit of kick of that Creole. Boy, that is a nice way to do a whitefish grouper. Any kind of whitefish, that's gonna taste delicious. I highly recommend this recipe. You can get it at citygrilling.com. You know, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're gonna like this fish. It is absolutely probably one of the best ones I've done.